Look closely at this photograph. Taken at the reopening of the South Fork Bridge in British Columbia, 1941, it captures a seemingly ordinary scene. A crowd gathered for the event, but one man stands out. He's wearing sunglasses, a printed t-shirt and a hooded sweatshirt. Attire radically different from the formal wear of the time. Could this be a visitor from the future, caught unawares by the camera's lens? The image, widely circulated online, has ignited fervent debate. Is it proof of time travel, a concept that has captivated humanity for centuries? Or is there a more mundane explanation for this sartorial anomaly? Let's put on our skeptical hats and delve into the mystery of the time-traveling hipster. The photograph's intrigue lies in the striking contrast between the man's appearance and that of the other attendees. His clothing, particularly the t-shirt with its graphic design, seems incongruous with the fashion trends of the 1940s. The style of sunglasses he sports, often associated with modern times, further fuels speculation. Proponents of the time travel theory point to these anachronistic details as compelling evidence. They argue that his attire is too modern for the era, suggesting he might be a traveler from a time when such clothing was commonplace. The internet, ever a breeding ground for speculation, has been abuzz with theories about his origins and purpose. Could he be a visitor from our present, or even the distant future, observing a pivotal moment in history? Or is he simply a man ahead of his time, a fashion pioneer whose sartorial choices were simply misunderstood by his contemporaries? While the photograph has captivated many, skeptics and experts in photography and history have raised significant doubts. One of the most prevalent theories is that the image is a modern fabrication, cleverly manipulated using photo editing software. The advancement of technology, particularly in image editing, has made it increasingly easy to create realistic-looking alterations. It's plausible that the time traveler was digitally inserted into the photograph, his modern attire meticulously crafted to stand out from the crowd. The internet, while a source of fascination, is also rife with doctored images designed to mislead and entertain. Furthermore, experts in 1940s fashion argue that while unusual, the man's clothing is not entirely outside the realm of possibility. Similar styles of sunglasses, for instance, were available at the time, albeit less common. The t-shirt, while bearing a modern aesthetic, could simply be a promotional item or a locally produced garment. Section 4. Time Travelers Among Us, Other Curious Cases. The time-traveling hipster photograph is not the only instance of supposed time travel evidence. Throughout history, there have been numerous accounts of individuals or objects out of place in time. One example is the London hammer, found encased in rock formations millions of years old. Creationists cite this against conventional geological timelines. Scientific analysis shows the hammer is likely from a 19th century mining operation. Another case is the Moab Man, footprints in Utah that seem to show humans with dinosaurs. Further investigation revealed the tracks were made by a dinosaur. These cases highlight the need for rigorous examination and avoiding extraordinary conclusions without evidence. Section 5. The Science of Time Travel, Fact or Fiction. The concept of time travel has long been a staple of science fiction, captivating our imaginations with the possibilities of journeying to the past or future. While the idea is tantalizing, the scientific consensus is that time travel, as depicted in popular culture, remains firmly in the realm of fiction. Einstein's theory of relativity, while revolutionizing our understanding of space and time, does not offer a clear pathway for time travel. The theory suggests that time is relative and can be warped by gravity, but it does not provide a mechanism for traveling backward or forward in time. While some physicists have proposed theoretical frameworks for time travel, such as wormholes or manipulating cosmic strings, these concepts remain highly speculative and face significant technological and theoretical hurdles. As of now, there is no scientific basis to suggest that time travel is achievable. Section 6. Conclusion: A Journey Through Time and Skepticism. The time-traveling hipster photograph reminds us of the importance of critical thinking and skepticism. It's crucial to approach extraordinary claims with a healthy dose of doubt. The man's unusual appearance is likely a mix of coincidence, old-fashioned trends, and perhaps some photographic manipulation. The internet age has made it easier to spread misinformation and create hoaxes. While time travel captivates our imagination, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Until we have proof that defies physics, time travel remains best explored in science fiction novels and dreams.